How to send the money to India on Remitly mobile app. So let's get started. First, open the app. Then you will have two options how to do it. In the top left corner, you will see this flag. It represents the country where you want to send the money. Or you can click on this widget. And then you can change the country here as well. Sending to, click on it. And then just click on this arrow and search India. Tap on it again and click Save. And now you are ready to go. Also, the currency has changed. And if you are not sure, you can click on this flag again. It's the much quicker process. Search India. And here we go, you are ready to go as well. The next step is just click Get Started. Here we go. Get started. And then you just need to change the amount. So I will send 20 euros. And this is how can you do it. Also make sure the recipient is from India and he got bank account from India or phone number. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe. And see you later. Goodbye.